I'm burning! Hello guys, today we are here to introduce you a very traditional bread and show you how to bake it. And also I want to show you inside the oven. So don't leave us, stay tuned with us and we're going to show you a bread which I think that you didn't hear it before. The name is Nane Sangak. So, first of all, water the barrel as much as you need it. If you want to bake this bread in your house, we have written down the recipe at the end of this video. So, if you want to know how to bake it, check out the description at the end of this video. Add some yeast and immediately after that we add Sangak flour. If you don't know what Sangak flour is or if you don't have it, there is no problem. You can use white flour instead. If you use Sangak flour, now add white flour. And salt. Mix it very well. After you mixed it very well, your paste will become like this. You must cover your paste with a cellophane or whatever you have because the air must not get into it. In bakery, they're going to cover it like this. Let's see. What a paste! You would like to put your head into these bubbles. Look at them, how beautiful they are. We are going to wait for 1.5 hours in order to our paste get a little bit rest. And after that, our job is started. That's it, and we are going to wait for 2 or 3 minutes until the bread get ready. You can learn how to bake this bread in the oven in your house. We tell you about it in the description. Now we are going to meet this delicious bread. I am sure that you haven't seen like this. Yummy! And here is one of the most famous Iranian breads. Can you believe it? For this tiny little bread, people wait for almost 2 hours in rows. Let's see a little bit closer. We want to see how is our bread. Does your bread like this or not? Don't leave us. Stay with us. I'm going to show you inside the oven. Oh my God! Let's see inside the oven. I'm burning! Whew! It was so hot. Let's go to the end of it exactly when they bring out the stones from the breads and make the breads into halves in order to carry them more easily. Well, my friends, did you like it up to now? Don't forget to like and subscribe us, and also if you have anything to add, leave me a comment and I will definitely read it and answer it. And also I will upload 1 or 2 or even more videos in this channel. Delicious food. Stay with this channel. We want to show you the foods that you didn't see or hear before. So if you leave, please wait. Don't leave us. Come back. And if you are here, I recommend you to watch other videos or the recommended videos which is related to this video. Love you all, and I will see you soon.